Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use My Health Pays Rewards card at Walmart. First, make sure your card is activated and you know your PIN. At checkout, swipe your card like a debit card. Select debit, enter your PIN, and complete your purchase. You can use it for everyday essentials, but not for alcohol, tobacco, or gift cards. Some plans also cover pharmacy co-pays at Walmart. Check your balance and item eligibility in your member portal or app before shopping. And that's it. Easy, fast, and convenient. And that's how to use my Health Pays Rewards card at Walmart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.